Hey guys, welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Tech It Simple. In this video, I am going to show you how you can set up a signature into your Proton Mail application. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Firstly, you have to open your Proton Mail application in order to set up the signature. After opening the application, click on the three bars in the top left. From there, you will get the setting option. Click into that setting option. Now, after clicking there, you have to select your Proton Mail account into Account Settings. And then after selecting the account into the account setting, you will get this Display Name and Signature option. You have to click into that option. Then, you will get the option to set the signature. As you can see here, the toggle for the signature is already open. If it's not open in yours, you first have to open it. And then you have to type the signature for your account into this box. Now, after typing the signature, you just simply have to click on this Save button in the top right corner, and after doing this, your signature into Proton Mail will successfully be set. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.